so today we're going to unbox the BOYA WM4 Pro K2. It's a dual channel digital wireless microphone. So it's nice. It comes with a hard case. Also comes with a manual. So I bought this at JG store, Superstore. It got my name on it. It's a 1-year certificate. Bought it at Lazada. So it's very nice that they got this warranty card on my name on it. Comes with a manual and a sticker. So here are the items. Okay. So these are the receivers. So these are the transmitter. I believe, okay, so once you open the box, you'll have to identify which is the receiver. So they all look the same. So here it says transmitter. So we have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So let's check out the items. The box, in the case. Okay, so usually this is the one that we clip on the camera. So you'll have to rotate it 45 degrees. There's an arrow saying push to this side. Then the adapter for the camera is here. We're done. So this unit uses AAA batteries. Recently I'm using the BOYA WM6. Here it is. So ever since I've gone through events, this was my lapel, so I bought a new one to cater to 2 speakers. So here it is. So I'm going to put on the batteries. Okay, so there's a little sign here that says positive and negative. Positive, okay. Okay, here we got the blue indicator LED light. So this is the line out and this is for the headphone. I'm gonna have to mark this. So line out and for the headphones. So for the other speakers we have line in and the microphone. Okay. Line in. Okay, mic. So like this. Okay, removing the cover is quite tough, so better have this set up before the shoot. Okay, it's quite hard. Okay, that was a challenge for this BOYA unit. For the setup, you'll need to have the BOYA facing this side of the camera. Since the antenna will be located here, so you need this kind of position to efficiently use the BOYA if you want to go
mics.
a little bit further. So this one should be facing this side. So you'll be receiving 2 microphones and 2 clips. I already put the other one. So I think it's best that you put first the sponge before putting the clip. So you'll be putting this to microphone instead of line 1. Okay, so in order that the BOYA to connect to the transmitter, the indicator light would flash about 2.5 seconds. If they're not connected, you would see a rapid flashing of the blue lights, and the transmitter also is flashing rapidly. So once they're connected, you will see a steady light here in the camera and flashing lights here in the BOYA every 2.5 seconds. So you can see the BOYA transmitter 1 and transmitter 2 are working. To adjust the volume settings, you'll have to go to your camera settings and manually adjust the audio recording level here. So just to give a small comparison on my other previous BOYA model, the BOYA WM6, you can manually adjust the settings here in the unit itself. So I'm going to test the audio for both of these devices. Mic test, mic test. Mic test, mic test. Mic test, mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Hello, mic test. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.